The world of home design is evolving, seamlessly blending the warmth of tradition with the sleek appeal of modern innovation. The contemporary farmhouse is no longer just a nostalgic nod to the past. It has become a statement of balance, functionality, and aesthetic harmony. In this video, we explore how the fusion of classic farmhouse elements with modern architectural trends is redefining home design, creating spaces that feel both timeless and cutting edge. Traditional farmhouses were built with locally sourced materials like wood, stone, and brick, chosen for their durability and natural charm. Today, these elements remain at the heart of modern contemporary farmhouse design, but are elevated with new techniques and refined finishes. Wide plank wooden floors, reclaimed beams, and textured stone walls are paired with minimalist detailing, large windows, and open layouts, creating a home that feels inviting yet sophisticated. A signature feature of farmhouses is their structured yet unpretentious form, often marked by gabled roofs, wide porches, and large central gathering spaces. In modern contemporary farmhouse design, these elements are reimagined with cleaner lines, asymmetrical facades, and innovative materials such as blackened steel and glass. The result is a home that pays tribute to classic architecture while embracing forward-thinking design principles. The heart of any home is its interior, and in a modern contemporary farmhouse, the emphasis is on space, light, and flow. Traditional farmhouses were often compartmentalized, with separate rooms for specific functions. Today's designs break down these barriers, creating expansive, airy interiors that connect the kitchen, living, and dining areas in one seamless experience. High ceilings, exposed beams, and oversized windows enhance the sense of openness, allowing natural light to flood the home and blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. plays a vital role in defining the atmosphere of a home. The modern contemporary farmhouse embraces a soothing palette inspired by nature: warm whites, soft grays, muted earth tones, and natural wood finishes. These subtle hues create a serene and welcoming environment while allowing architectural details and carefully curated decor pieces to take center stage. To add depth, organic textures like linen, jute, and raw wood introduce a sense of warmth and authenticity. A hallmark of modern contemporary farmhouse design is the effortless integration between indoor and outdoor spaces. Large glass doors open onto covered patios, blending the interior with natural surroundings. Courtyards, pergolas, and lush gardens become natural extensions of the living space, encouraging a lifestyle that embraces the beauty of nature. Whether it's a cozy fire pit area or an elegant outdoor dining space, these design choices create a home that feels expansive, breathable, and deeply connected to its environment. In both traditional and modern contemporary farmhouse design, the kitchen remains the heart of the home, a place for gathering, cooking, and creating memories. The modern interpretation combines the charm of rustic elements, like exposed wooden beams and handcrafted cabinetry, with sleek, functional features such as waterfall countertops, high-end appliances, and custom lighting. Open shelving made of reclaimed wood displays artisanal ceramics, while a spacious kitchen island serves as both a practical workspace and a social hub. This fusion of old and new ensures the kitchen is both aesthetically pleasing and highly functional. A modern contemporary farmhouse is not just about communal spaces, it also prioritizes rest and relaxation. Bedrooms are designed to be peaceful retreats, embracing simplicity and comfort. Neutral tones, natural fiber textiles, and statement headboards crafted from reclaimed wood create an atmosphere of warmth and tranquility. Large windows invite a natural light, while soft linen curtains add an airy touch. Thoughtfully placed lighting, including sconces and pendant lamps, enhances the cozy ambience, ensuring that the bedroom is a sanctuary where modern luxury meets timeless charm. bathrooms in a modern contemporary farmhouse offer a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern refinement. Freestanding soaking tubs, farmhouse-style sinks, and natural stone surfaces evoke a sense of timelessness, while sleek fixtures, frameless glass showers, and minimalist cabinetry add a contemporary edge. Earthy tones, soft lighting, and the use of organic materials like wood and clay tiles contribute to a spa-like ambience, transforming the bathroom into a place of relaxation and retreat. This seamless fusion of elements ensures that even the most utilitarian spaces exude elegance and comfort. While aesthetics are crucial, the modern contemporary farmhouse is also about sustainability and mindful living. Thoughtful material choices, energy-efficient designs, and well-planned layouts ensure that these homes are not just beautiful, but also built to stand the test of time. Reclaimed wood, eco-friendly insulation, and natural ventilation techniques help reduce environmental impact while enhancing the home's character. This approach to design bridges the wisdom of the past with the technology of the future, creating homes that are as responsible as they are stunning. One of the most remarkable aspects of a modern contemporary farmhouse is its adaptability. Designed for all seasons and lifestyles, these homes can embrace the warmth of summer with wide-open doors and breezy layouts, or create a cozy retreat in winter with stone fireplaces and layered textiles. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a full-time residence, the modern farmhouse offers flexibility and comfort year-round, making it a timeless investment in both architecture and lifestyle. A well-designed home is more than just a structure. It's a place that tells a story, evokes emotions, and reflects the lives of those who live within its walls. The beauty of a modern contemporary farmhouse lies in its ability to feel both personal and universal, combining nostalgia with innovation. It's a home where memories are made, traditions are honored, and the future is embraced. This balance between past and present, rustic and refined, is what makes the style so special. The modern contemporary farmhouse is not just a fleeting trend, it's a movement that speaks to the desire for balance, comfort, and authenticity in home design. By blending tradition with innovation, these homes offer the best of both worlds, a connection to the past and a vision for the future. Whether you're designing your dream home or simply seeking inspiration, this approach proves that the most beautiful spaces are those that honor history while embracing progress.